So it looks like we just want to know whether February was greater than January, and statement 2 just gives us the sum. Knowing the sum of two numbers certainly doesn't allow us to infer which one was greater. So let's go ahead and eliminate the answer choices that claim that statement 2 is sufficient on its own, B and D. So we're down to answer choices A, C, E, and let's evaluate statement 1 right after the intro. So statement 1 gives us the ratio of February to January as 26 to 25. Now this means that February is farther away from 0 than January is. If you wanted to be precise, you could say February is 26/25 as far from 0 as January is. Now does that mean that February is greater than January? If they're positive, it does mean that. If they could be 0, then they're actually equal, and if they're negative, then February is actually smaller than January. But this problem is talking about a heating bill, and a heating bill has to be positive by definition. So it turns out that this statement is sufficient on its own. February, by being farther away from 0 than January is, and by knowing that they're both positive, February has to be greater than January, and the correct answer is A. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.